Hey, it's John Sisk. We're back at the hangar and I've got some news for you. Our White Lightning brand of compact, inexpensive ground power units have set a new standard for quality and value with aircraft owners and shops alike. These remarkable mini GPUs are compact but incredibly provide enough stable DC power for most piston single and twin engine aircraft, perfectly replicating the in-flight electrical environment. And they're available for both 14 and 28 volt aircraft. But what if you need one unit that can power either 14 or 28 volt aircraft? Well, I guess you could try this, but now we have a more sensible and elegant solution. Introducing our dual voltage mini GPU. Within the same footprint, our M1428-DV provides switch selected, color-coded, lockout protected connections for either 14 or 28 volt output. It's the perfect solution for owners of multiple aircraft like I have here, a business aircraft with a 28 volt electrical system and a sport aircraft like this RV-14 with a 14 volt electrical system. It's also ideal for repair shops, instructors, aircraft dealers, FBOs, or anyone who deals with a lot of different aircraft and needs one GPU that works for any and all of them. The M1428-DV comes with two detachable output cables, and like our other mini GPUs, it features a voltmeter and ammeter, dual USB charging ports, and our exclusive auto shutdown timer. So whatever your aircraft type, the M1428-DV provides the safety and convenience of uninterrupted airframe power at a fraction of what you might expect to pay. For more information, please visit our website or give us a call if you have any questions.